Did you know that one bridge killed 88 workers before it was even finished? The Quebec Bridge was meant to be an engineering marvel. Instead, it became a death trap. In 1907, workers raced to build the world's longest cantilever bridge. Engineers ignored warnings about dangerous stress on the steel. On August 29th at 5:30 p.m., the entire south span suddenly twisted and crashed into the river below. 75 workers plunged to their deaths. Survivors said they heard the steel screaming before the collapse, but foremen ignored evacuation orders to meet their deadline. 9 years later, they tried again. As workers installed the center span, the massive piece broke free and fell 150 feet into the water. 13 more men died. The investigation revealed horrifying truths. The company used cheap, substandard steel. They ignored every safety protocol to maximize profits. Workers had reported hearing ominous creaking. They saw dangerous cracks forming, but they were told to keep working. The bridge finally opened in 1917, built literally on the bones of its builders.